Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Let's talk about the fifth phase of polling that is going on in West Bengal. But before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, you like this video and you comment below it. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then please do like our page and share this video to as many people as possible. Let's begin with today's video. Amid concerns over rising COVID-19 cases in the country and the huge crowded election rallies conducted by political parties with hardly any regard for the COVID norms, the fifth phase of West Bengal Assembly election has begun. A total of 45 assembly constituencies of West Bengal are polling in this phase with over 1 crore voters who will decide the fate of 342 candidates. The voting will be held at 15,789 polling stations spread across 16 seats in North 24 Parganas, 8 seats which are situated in Purba Bardhaman and Nadia each, 7 seats in Jalpaiguri and 5 seats in Darjeeling and 1 in Kalimpong district. Now let's talk about the safety and security arrangements during the fifth phase. Now, the fourth phase of the election witnessed widespread violence with 5 deaths. 4 locals were killed in CISF fighting in Cooch Behar. The TMC had claimed that they are the party workers of the TMC. Thus, the security has been beefed up this time around. According to the Election Commission, at least 853 companies of central forces will be deployed to ensure free and fair voting. Apart from this, measures to ensure strict adherence of coronavirus protocol during the voting process will also be in place. The Election Commission also conducted an all-party meeting ahead of the polling on Saturday. Looking at the COVID-19 situation, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her party on Thursday had urged the Election Commission to consider conducting the polls in the remaining constituencies at one go. However, the Election Commission on Friday clarified that there will not be any rescheduling of the election. However, the Election Commission has asked political parties to strictly follow the rules, and if found violating the rules, there will be stringent action taken against the candidates, the leaders or the star campaigners. The Election Commission has also warned of criminal action against the leaders. Yesterday evening, it also announced that it has curtailed the time for campaigning post 7 p.m. That means there will be no campaigning between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now let's talk about key players, parties and their campaigns. Prominent faces fighting it out in the fifth phase include Siliguri Mayor and Left Front leader Ashok Bhattacharya, TMC ministers Gautam Dev and Bratya Basu, and BJP's Samik Bhattacharya. The phase is crucial for Trinamool Congress as it looks forward to better its 2016 tally of 32 seats, and a resurgent BJP aims to make a clear inroad. The Left and Congress alliance had bagged 10 seats in the assembly elections 5 years ago. Now they are putting up a fight to make a mark this time around. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday also appealed to Bengal voters to vote in large numbers in the state's fifth phase of election, taking it to Twitter. Meanwhile, as the voting goes on, sporadic incidents of violence were also reported on Saturday from some areas where the fifth phase of polling is going on. In the Shantinagar, for example, in the Shantinagar area of Bidhanagar, a clash broke out between TMC and BJP supporters, with both sides accusing each other of stopping the voters from going to the polling booth. Bricks and stones were hurled, injuring 8 people. Now let's watch the visuals of what exactly happened out there in Bidhanagar. Well, those were the visuals from Bidhanagar. In Siliguri, for another example, a scuffle broke out between TMC and CPIM supporters outside a polling booth. In Santipur, in Nadia district, TMC alleged that personnel of the central forces were asking voters to go back, a charge which is rubbished by the authorities. In Bijpur, in North 24 Parganas, TMC and BJP supporters clashed after the opposition party alleged that voters were being prevented from going to the booths. Now, as of 3 p.m., The state has recorded more than 62.40% turnout. Meanwhile, an audio clip of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has gone viral on social media. It is of purported conversation of Mamata Banerjee with Trinamool Congress candidate for Sitalkuchi. In the audio, Banerjee is heard asking her party's Sitalkuchi candidate to hold rallies with the bodies of 4 people who were killed in the firing by security forces on April 10th. Citing the purported audio clip between Banerjee and party candidate Partha Pratim Ray, BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya said that Chief Minister is trying to instigate riots by asking her party leaders to take out rallies with bodies. Now, before we go further, let us just hear what exactly was the conversation between Mamata Banerjee and her party candidate for Sitalkuchi.
পার্থ,
হ্যাঁ দিদি,
মাথা ঠান্ডা করে ভোটটা করো, তারপরে এর বিচার আমরা করবো।
একদম
আমি অ্যারেস্ট করাবো সব কটা সিআরপিএফ কে। ডেড বডি গুলো এখন রেখে দাও, কালকে ডেড বডি গুলো নিয়ে র্যালি হবে। আজকে পরিবারগুলোকে বলবে কেউ ডেড বডি নেবে না।
ঠিক ঠিক ঠিক
সব থাকবে এবং আজকে আগে ভোটটা করে নাও মাথা ঠান্ডা করে।
একদম একদম দিদি,
চালাচি হচ্ছে যাতে তুমি ভোটটা না করতে পারো, ঘুরে যাও।
একদম একদম আছি ফিল্ডে, আমি পড়ে আছি।
কারা করেছিল? এরা কারা করেছে? সিআরপিএফ।
সিআরপিএফ সিআরপিএফ
লোকগুলো কারা? লোকগুলো কারা?
গুলো আমাদেরই লোক, আমাদেরই লোক।
কাজ করো, পুরো এফআইআর করবে লয়ারকে দিয়ে, নিজের ইচ্ছে মতো করবে না।
ওকে ওকে দিদি,
এফআইআর বাড়ির লোক যেটা করবে আমি বলে দেবো আফটার ইলেকশন।
ঠিক ঠিক
এখনই পুরো স্টেটমেন্ট নিতে গেলে করবে না, ভালো করে এফআইআর করতে হবে লয়ারের সাথে কনসাল্ট করে, যাতে এগুলো ওদের কমান্ড থেকে শুরু করে এসপি থেকে শুরু করে সবকটা পাচ্ছে। এসপি কেও পাঠাতে হবে, আইসি কেও পাঠাতে হবে।
ঠিক ঠিক
এখন মাথা ঠান্ডা করে ভোট করে দেবো, এজেন্টদের চেঞ্জ দাও।
সব বুথে
নিশ্চিন্তে কাজ করো।
সব বুথে এজেন্ট আছে, নেই দুটো
যা গিয়ে বলে দেখো।
আমি যাচ্ছি, সব জায়গায় যাচ্ছি।
মানুষ চারিদিক গিয়ে বলি যে চিন্তা করার কোনো কারণে ভোটটা না দিতে পারেন যাতে, তার জন্য এরা এরকম করবে।
ঠিক,
ওরা এনপিআর করবে, ওরা ডিটেনশন ক্যাম্প করবে, তাই একদম
একদম কোনো চিন্তা নেই। ঠিক আছে, আমি দেখে নেব।
Well, that was a leaked audio conversation between Mamata Banerjee and her party candidate for Sitalkuchi. Now, BJP chief JP Nadda also tweeted the audio clip along with a direct attack on the Trinamool Congress. Nadda tweeted that TMC signifies vulture culture of feasting on death for petty political gains. TMC should be ashamed of themselves. Now, Trinamool Sitalkuchi candidate called the audio clip as bogus and said that such a conversation never actually took place. So, Trinamool MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray also said that BJP is trying to spread misinformation. He said the lies factory manager does not understand Bengali and no one translated the conversation for him correctly. There is nothing wrong in the conversation between the party leader and her district leader. On the other hand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also raised this audio clip issue in his speech today during his rally in Asansol. Slamming Mamata Banerjee, he said doing politics on corpses is an old habit of Mamata Banerjee. Well, after the audio tape controversy, both the parties will meet Election Commission and submit memorandum. TMC has already done so. TMC has complained to the Election Commission about this alleged phone tapping by the BJP. So, BJP will also go and meet Election Commission officials and also submit a complaint regarding Mamata Banerjee's audio tape. Well, what happens then? We will get to know, and we will also let you know all the updates about the 5th phase of West Bengal Assembly election. Till then, stay tuned to HW News.